partition. Okay. Okay. So now we will discuss about the delete. Okay. So now if you see here, last class we have discussed about the filter conditions, right? Okay. So now what I am going to do, okay. So I am just removing all filter conditions. Okay. And now, okay, if I want to delete record okay, which is having a null from the car model. Hmm? Okay, delete the data. Hmm? Delete the data. Delete the data which are nulls in the car model column. అంటే ఓన్లీ ఆ కాలంలోనే డిలీట్ చేయకూడదు, ఈ మొత్తాన్ని డిలీట్ చేయాలి. డిలీట్ ద ఎంటైర్ రికార్డ్. ఓకే, డిలీట్ ద డేటా అంటే ఏంలే, మొత్తం రికార్డ్ని డిలీట్ చేయమని ఎప్పటికైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ దట్ పర్టికులర్ కాలం అని కాదు. టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మనము టూ టైప్స్ మనము చేయొచ్చు. ఎట్లా, హౌ we can delete the data? We can delete the data based on the column. Okay, but we can delete entire record. Okay, here we cannot especially we cannot delete particular column. We can make that as a null or any default question mark anything, but we cannot delete that particular line, that particular column, under column that particular value. Either you need to delete entire record. Okay, so keep that in mind. For example, I have a 24 here, August 24. I want to make this null, means yes, you can make that as a null. Okay, but this particular data you cannot delete. Why? Because that entire row, there will be some data, right? So if you want to be, if you want to make this also null, then that entire row is a null. It means nothing is there, right? It is nothing, but it is delete record. Okay, something like that we can do. Hmm? So now I'll show you. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to delete the data which is blank. Okay, I have to delete the data which is blank. So now I'm selecting this. Okay, I am unselecting this so that I'll get only this data. What I will do now, first I will take the backup of the existing table. I'll take this backup. How I have to take the backup? I'll show you now. Okay, how to take the backup. So I want all the columns. Okay, from the table. How do I do backup? Okay, now you see, create table, create table, table name, BKP. What is the date today? 2024 11 13. As select star from this table. Okay, see, create table, table name. Already we have seen that syntax, but after that we have given the column names. But here what I am doing, create table, table name. Okay, BKP 2024 11 13. As means what? Same as select star from this table. It means whatever the data present in this table, similarly create a structure and insert the data. I am stating to Snowflake. I am telling to Snowflake. What I am telling to Snowflake? Create this table as it is, how the structure is. Okay. And I am asking to create a table with the data. Then first I am creating this. What? I'll select this one. Okay. I will select this one. Okay. And then execute. Table created. Now I have a reference. Okay. Because I have taken a backup, right? then I will do modifications on this table. Because if I want to if I want to insert the data again, I have to write a insert statement. I have not copied anywhere. So that is the reason what I am doing. I am creating a backup of the same structure of this table so that I will have a future reference, right? Then I will modify this data in this table. No, I want to modify in this table, then why you have taken a backup, right? In case if you want to do any operations without touching this table, then yes, you can do like this also. Okay. You create a backup on top of that, you do any operations if you want. Okay, that also for a practice. Okay. But now here, what I will do, I'll apply main delete operation in the main table. Okay. One second. Yeah. Now you see how I am writing syntax delete table delete table name.
Delete from table.
Wait. I know. Okay. Delete table. Now I have written delete table here. Okay. Now what is saying? Syntax error, right? Whenever if you want to pull the data, this is DML command. Okay. This is a DML command, right? So for a DML command, you have to retrieve the data, you need to delete the data, you need to update the data, right? At that time, what you need to write? You have to tell, okay, from which table. Now, what you have to do? How you have written, select a star from table, okay. Here, you should not write delete star from table. You should not write like this. Okay. What you have to do? You are not selecting the data to print the value. You are deleting the data from the table. So this star is not required. So that is the reason I made a mistake here to show you. Okay. Now yeah, I have written a delete from table and table name. Okay. I'll do the main table. Okay. I will delete the data from main table, not from this. Okay, right? Now I will execute this. See, number of rows deleted 16. Now you select the data. Let's see whether you will get or not. Though there is no data. But I want to delete a specially particular record, which is car model is null value, right? Car model is null value I want to delete. But what I have done, I have deleted entire data. How do I get back again? How do I get back again? Then let's see roll back. Whether it will work or not, let's see. I'm just roll backing the data. Statement executed successfully. And then let's see whether I'll get the data or not. No. Raghu, you said roll back it will work, but I'm not getting anything here.
నువ్వు వర్క్ చేయడం ట్రైన్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఉంది కదా అది యూజ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ.
Exactly. The time travel we will discuss later. Okay, man.
ఓకే.
See, now even I do roll back the table, but still I didn't get the data. See, I didn't get the data. What I have to do now? I have the data safer side in this table. Correct? How do I insert this data into this table? Now again question mark. This is now another syntax you are going to learn now. Okay. What I am saying? Currently, I don't have the data in this table, but same data I have in this table. How do I insert the data from this table to this table? I don't have an insert into values, right? Now I have data in this table. What I have to do? I have to write a syntax to copy the data from this table to this table. Insert into table name, select star from backup table, because same structure, right? So that is the reason I am just giving the star. Otherwise, I have to give as this table structure. Okay, otherwise it will fail. Now, see, I have not given as here, but when I have given a create statement, create table, table name, as I have given, please remember this. But for insert into table, I am not giving as here. Why? Because already table structure is there. Just I want to copy the data from this table to this table. If you don't have a table structure and if you want to create a table, at that time you need to use as create table, table name as you have to use. Okay, now you see 16 rows inserted. Now let's run this. Yes, I got the data back. See? Now, if I want to only delete this particular car name is null, what I have to do? Hmm? Car name is null. How many names are null under car name? Hmm? Hey, 1 second. Car name, car model. Okay. Under car name, how many nulls are there? Okay, I'm not selecting now. I'm selecting. I'm going back here like this. Okay. Under car name, how many nulls are there? Let me select. Out of 16 rows, I have I have totally 9 records are there. So if I perform the delete operation, these data will be deleted. Okay, I'll show you. Delete from table name where car name is null. Okay, now select this and execute. 9 records got deleted. Okay, if you select here, total count is 9, right? So those 9 records got deleted. Okay, you want to see the data? Yes, you can see the data. See, car name, you don't find anything which are null. Leave it whether other columns have the data or not. Leave that point. Okay, but here you deleted the data which is done. Now I want to delete car model which are having a null. It means entire data I need to delete. Then simple car model. Okay, car model is null because you have only one record, right? Okay, so wherever you have null, that also will be deleted. Okay, now this data got deleted and the car model also, car name also, car model null also it will delete. Okay, now if you see, you will get only which are not null values between the car name and car null. Only not null values you can able to find here. So like this, you need to write a delete. Only one column do I can do? No. Now I have the data in this table already. Okay, how many data I have? If you see here totally, Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 records are there. Now, in this table, how many records are there? Again, 16 records. Now, if I do same insert into again, what will happen? If this is not a primary key, okay, again it will load the data. Same data also it will load. Now you see 6 plus 16, 22 records total you can find here. See, 22 records. Okay, so even if you write again it will insert the data. It does not matter whether data is present or not. Okay, it will load the data. Now you see, you have the data. Now you have a car model null and a car name also null. Okay, you want to delete wherever we have a car model null and car name null. Okay, so now I will see, I will remove this car model and car name null. First I will take the car model null. If I select here, I have only one, but car name I don't have a null. So I will try to delete, but it won't delete because your condition is not satisfied. Okay, it means how? I'll show you. First, I'll go to the car model first now. Okay, you see, okay, this is very important to understand how I'm writing a syntax and what is my requirement. Okay, select star from this table, and here you see, I have, I'm writing a query. First, you see, where car model hmm, is null and car name is null. If I get the data, then my data also will be deleted. If I don't get the data, then it will not delete anything. So you didn't get the data. It means car model null and car name null. You with this combination you don't have any data. So that is the reason you didn't get any data. Even if you perform same way delete operation, delete from table, okay, where this one. Now if you run this, it won't delete any data because your condition is not satisfying. See, number of rows deleted 0. Okay. But in case if you want to delete the data, whether it is a null in car model or whether it is in car name, if you write R, then how much data you are getting, see, that data will be deleted. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 records it will be deleted if you give R. So what I will do? I will delete. I will put the R. Okay. Now I'll run this. See, 10 records got deleted. Okay, like this. Now if you run this query, you will not get any data because already you deleted the data. See, no. Like this you need to practice. Okay. This is the delete statement, how you have to practice. Okay. Are you clear? Hello.
Okay,
Okay.
clear.
Yeah. So today class, you just practice the delete statement, and tomorrow we will discuss again update statement. Okay. And then I will start other topic because this is where and delete and update. These are all very, very important actually. Okay. So in next class, we will discuss about the update statement and other things. Okay. Tomorrow, please call me if I am not able to join the call at 6 a.m. tomorrow because I'll go to office tomorrow. Okay. Let me stop recording.